Hi, in this video I will show you how to pair new SIGMA ROX cycling computer with your smartphone and mobile app. First thing you need to do is to go to the Play Store or App Store if you are using iPhone and install SIGMA ROX app and open it. Then you will need to create an account, enter all your details, and there to pair new cycling computer you need to tap on more, and there you need to tap on manage devices, tap on plus, and there you need to scan QR code. To get a QR code you need to open menu on your SIGMA, go to the settings, go to the device, go to the connect, like that, and there open right up and you have the QR code. Now use your phone to scan it. Let the devices pair, enter PIN, OK, and now both of your devices are connected. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.